Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to present 25 important questions that you will often hear in Austria. After having watched this video, you are able to understand the following questions, such as Was ist es? Woher sind Sie? Oder Kennst du aus? So, let's get started. The learning goal of this tutorial is to understand 25 important questions in Austrian German. Let's start with the first question. Was ist es? Was ist es? Any idea what that could mean? Was ist es is what's that in English. In other words, asking for clarification of an object or situation. The second question. Geht's dir gut? Geht's dir gut? Are you feeling fine? So we're asking about someone's well-being. Geht's dir gut? The third question. Was ist los? Was ist los? What's going on? Was ist los? Question number 4. Was tut sie? Was tut sie? That's another way of asking what's going on. Was tut sie? Question number 5. Was gibt's Neues? Or was gibt's Neues? What's new? It's a way of asking about news or what's going on in someone's life in general. Was gibt's Neues? Question number 6. Kommst morgen zum Festel? Kommst morgen zum Festel? Are you going to the party tomorrow? Kommst morgen zum Festel? Or you can also say Kommst morgen zum Festel. Question number 7. Kennst du aus? Kennst du aus? Do you know your way around? So it's asking if someone is familiar with a place or a situation. Kennst du aus? Question number 8. Hast du dies schon gehört? Hast du dies schon gehört? Have you already heard that? That question is used to ask if someone has heard a piece of information. Hast du dies schon gehört? Question number 9. Haben Sie einen Kuli? Haben Sie einen Kuli? Means, do you have a pen with you? Kuli is the short form of Kugelschreiber, which means pen in English. Haben Sie einen Kuli? Question number 10. Wo kommst du her? Wo kommst du her? Where do you come from? Wo kommst du her? Question number 11. Woher sind Sie? Woher sind Sie? That's again, where are you from, but in a rather formal way. Question number 12. Was machst denn grad? Was machst denn grad? What are you doing right now? Was machst denn grad? Question number 13. Was tust denn grad? Was tust denn grad? It's the same as what are you doing right now? Was tust denn grad? Question number 14. Wo bist denn du? Wo bist denn du? Where are you? It's a colloquial way to ask where someone is located. Wo bist denn du? Question number 15. Habt's heute noch was vor? Habt's heute noch was vor? Do you have any plans for today? Habt's heute noch was vor? Question number 16. Was tun wir heute? Was tun wir heute? What are we doing today? Was tun wir heute? Question number 17. Gehst mit auf einen Kaffee? Gehst mit auf einen Kaffee? Do you want to join me for a coffee? Gehst mit mir auf einen Kaffee? Question number 18. Was macht es aus? Was macht es aus? How much is it? Was macht es aus? Question number 19. Sind's schon fertig? Sind's schon fertig? Have you already finished? Sind's schon fertig? Question number 20. Magst du nur Bier? Magst du nur Bier? Do you want another beer? Magst du nur Bier? Question 21. Wie lang dauert dies noch? Wie lang dauert dies noch? How long will it take? Wie lang dauert dies noch? Question number 22. Was hast du gesagt? Was hast du gesagt? What did you say? Was hast du gesagt? Question number 23. Hast alles mit? Hast alles mit? Do you have everything with you? So that's an important question. So just to check if you've got everything with you. Hast alles mit? Number 24. Was machen wir jetzt? Was machen wir jetzt? What are we doing now? Was machen wir jetzt? Number 25. Wie geht's dir bei der Arbeit? Wie geht's dir bei der Arbeit? How's work going for you? Wie geht's dir bei der Arbeit? All in all, I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic questions in Austrian German. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about Austrian German. By the way, if you want to learn more 50 Austrian words and phrases, please check out my video about it. Additionally, I produced a video about the most important question words in Austrian German. I think this would be a good idea to combine it with this video. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba.